Tenses, past continuous. 5 practice exercises. You have 5 seconds to solve it. Fill in the blank with the correct form. She was walked, to school when it started to rain. Answer: she was walking to school when it started to rain. Choose the correct verb form. They were played soccer when the bell rang. Answer: they were playing soccer when the bell rang. Complete the sentence. He was ate breakfast when the phone rang. Answer: he was eating breakfast when the phone rang. Pick the correct form. We were studied English when the power went out. Answer: we were studying English when the power went out. Correct the sentence. She was did her homework when the lights went off. Answer: she was doing her homework when the lights went off. Thank you for watching. Give a thumbs up and subscribe for more English practice exercises.